I'm back from college with another quick tutorial on particles. When lowering the engine scalability settings, you may have noticed some of your particles disappearing. In my case, it looks like this. Normally when I shoot this weapon, you'll see something come out of the muzzle. So let's diagnose why this is happening. To fix this, we need to look at three things. On our particle system, we need to go to the emitter and look at the detail mode bit mask. Make sure that all three of these are checked so that way your particle system renders on each of these levels. Afterwards, go to the Spawn tab, and then here you'll see Apply Global Spawn Rate Scale. In this case, uncheck this so that way this particle system works independently of the engine scalability settings. When we go in and we check, we see that this fixed the problem. If for some reason this didn't fix the problem for you, go ahead and go to your particle system's material, and inside of the material node, look for any advanced features. In some cases, materials dependent on refraction won't work on anything lower than high or medium because advanced features are disabled past those points. In the unlikely case that your particle is still not visible, please look at the LOD or level of detail. I've posted a link to the documentation in the description below. I hope this helped you understand particle rendering a bit more, and go ahead and leave a comment if you still have problems. Thank you.